So guys, andito kami sa Tarlac. Saka ito yung accommodation namin. So meron silang basketball court dyan. Then, what's up? So, oh, ganda oh. Mga bougainvilleas. Yan. So, ito yung place. It's very cozy. Peaceful nature. Trip ko tong mga ganito na mga mga lugar. Magugustuhan din to ng family ko. So it's called the Barracks. Yan. And this is their pool. Infinity pool siguro tawag dito. Yan, di ba? Ganda oh. Hi RZ. Doing my lang. What's up?
Hello, vlog.
Hi.
We're gonna play vlog.
So,
Love you, vlog.
let's go in. So they're gonna play ano? Ano? Bahala ka dyan. Huwag ba yan ikat? Bahala ka dyan. So guys, ito yung ito yung room namin. Very industrial. Yan. Oh. Diba? Super cool. And we got the view of the pool. Yan. Napakaangas. So dito, ito yung CR. Wow. Solid. Galing. Hi. So yun guys. Before kami sasampa later sa aming performance, ito muna kami magpapahinga. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Let's visit at my other kuyas. So ito yun. Check natin sila. Angas! Kuya Josh! Kuya Nico! So ito yung nila. Parang kitchen. Just wanna say hi. I did tour lang. Say hi. Hi!
Hi.
Ito yung mga kuya dito. So this is the second room. Yan.
Look at our things.
Galing. Very organized ba? Same I think same lang kami ng Oh yun, same lang pala. Nice. Very nice dito ba? Solid. Balik tayo. Pwede tayo babalik dito. Oh. So babalik kami talaga dito para masulit namin yung staycation. Sulit. So thank you so much the Barracks and the family who invited us today. So ito na yan guys. I'm excited to swim later. Let's see. Yun. Thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye.